Salutations, kings and queens, and welcome back to the Electric Leaf. I wanted to stop by and show you all a quick spaghetti. Okay, this is one of the quickest spaghettis I've ever made. I was quite proud of myself, all right? So I did opt to use some already pre-made ingredients when I do throw down in the kitchen and make my own spaghetti sauce. Nobody can really deny it. Even my daughter, who doesn't like tomatoes, she can't deny me there, okay? She can't deny me. So here are the veggies that I started off with. Just a simple yellow squash, some Roma tomatoes, a portobello mushroom, and a sweet onion. To me, it's not really an onion if it's not a sweet onion, all right? Vidalia, however you want to call it. So I just started off by chopping up these veggies, spraying them with a little bit of grapeseed oil and a little bit of sea salt, and putting them in the oven at 425 degrees for 30 minutes. So as you can see, I've already emptied the jar of tomato sauce, of the Italian herb pasta sauce, into my pot. I have also already put in the tomato paste and the diced tomatoes, and I just stirred it in. And now I'm going to add a little bit of sweetener, which is the agave. This time I have used coconut sugar as well. I'm also adding in a little bit of coconut milk. All right, now you don't have to put in the coconut milk or the agave, but it just really does something to the recipe. Okay, it does something to the recipe. I've told y'all this before on another video. I just like to try things out, and I've noticed that when you're eating plant-based, or especially when it comes to tomatoes, I love roasted tomatoes. I've noticed that certain things just really help to enhance the flavor, okay? Kind of like makeup, all right? You're already beautiful, but you just add a little bit of something extra, and it just does something to the recipe, all right? Trust me. Try it. Tag me. The 3 T's. Trust me, try it, and tag me. Yes, the 3 T's. I like that. I just made that up. So you see, the color deepens after it has cooked a little bit. You know, you can add a little bit more of coconut milk if you want the sauce to be pink. And, you know, I think that it's fun when you can just go in the kitchen and just try things out, start mixing things up that you like. So I'm using this pasta that I have here, and I'm just pouring the sauce on top, and then bam, that's it, dinner. Let's eat. You know, I wish that I had access to more creative or more alkaline title pastas, all right? But it's one store in my area that sells this, and their customer service is not up to par the way that I feel that it should be, so I will not be spending my coin there. I will just continue to purchase the ingredients that are available to me with businesses that believe in good customer service, because customer service is key. Customer service is key for me. So until next time, family, continue to vibrate love. And remember that love is the most important ingredient in all things. And continue to vibrate well. Peace.